Let's talk about depositions by the numbers. Let's say you have a case coming up with 10 depositions and 2 boxes of documents for each depot. That's about 20,000 sheets of paper, give or take. Now, of those 20,000, 95% are printed in black and white, and 5% in color. Let's also say that 2 out of the 10 depositions are out of town, so you need to ship your potential exhibits for those depots overnight. Then, after the depot, you ship them back, scan the 5% or so that become official exhibits, and either destroy or store all that paper. Any idea what this costs? It's $12,840. But you could save 65% or more with eDepos. How can this be? Well, because eDepos takes the paper out of depositions, there's nothing to print, nothing to ship, nothing to scan, and nothing to store or destroy. And it also saves valuable time for attorneys and support staff in depot prep. All this translates to savings, and we're not even including savings on travel-related costs. So, how can you continue to justify this when you can give your clients this? Give your clients more value. Contact us today.